So this is Bruce's 4Runner, and you have had amazing results over the years with this car. You're pretty
this
good.
one and my last 4Runner.
Yeah. Let's see what you've got in this. Very clean boot build. I really like it. Can you please explain us what we are looking at?
Sure, we got the 1-channel hybrid amp and 2 of the 4 channels.
Okay.
So the 1 channel goes to the 18-inch sub. This one goes to the 8.5-inch mid bass and the doors, and this one goes to the 3s and the tweets and the dash and the pillars.
Nice.
The install was all done by Mike Myers at the Sound Factory.
Very clean.
PS8 Pro.
Okay.
Caraudio.
And very easy access. It couldn't be simpler.
Right.
Very serviceable. Do you use this car for daily as well, or is it just your show build?
No, daily mostly. I alternate between this and a couple other vehicles.
Nice.
This is mainly used when it snows or the weather's bad.
Okay. And that's a sealed box, right?
Yeah, 4 cubic feet.
That's definitely digging low then. Yeah, crazy. Okay, let's jump to the front. Let's see what you have there. Okay. Here we are. All right, so what are we looking at here?
I got the Legacia Tweets hybrid, the Unity 3.5s. Then factory locations are where the 8s are.
Okay.
Sony 9500. And down here is the caraudio controller. And this is the only piece that Mike Myers didn't build. This was done by Ed Rice and Darren Lathard. And that was taken out of my last vehicle.
Okay. Wow, you know what? I haven't had a quicker rundown by anyone, but that's the beauty of this system. It's just simple. It's so achievable. Did you choose this car intentionally, knowing that you would build an audio system in
No,
this?
I had no intentions to get back into it when I bought it. But I got really lucky because this is the last year you can replace the head unit.
Wow. Not just that, but you have factory dash location for a decent size mid-range. And that's, yeah, we know. You saved a lot of time with that.
Yeah, a lot of time and money.
Yeah, exactly. I guess you had to soundproof the crap out of the doors.
Oh, everything is, yes, very much. Got mostly resin X from Nick.
Amazing. Well, at least now, because this video is so short, at least I can ask you questions that usually I don't ask people. We can have few words. Tell me 2 things that you really like about your system that stands out in this.
The simplicity and the sound stage. Just the factory locations in the 4Runner are amazing for your stage height.
They help a lot, 100%. Can you tell me 2 things that, if you had no limitation in time or budget, that you would upgrade in your system?
No, not to stay with this, to keep it simple.
Okay,
I mean,
you don't want to sacrifice on that?
No, I mean, I would almost have to change everything, I think. Well, I would like to go with aftermarket grills, because I do think those are limiting the doors.
Okay.
Because the factory grills, because in my last 4Runner I did have that, and I think that lets the mid bass do what it needs to do.
Well, that's the thing, you know, it's not quite fair to throw this question at you, because we know that you've had crazier builds, and then if people want to upgrade, then they would just go and build a car from scratch to that level.
Right.
Yeah, but you're right, you know, when it comes to simplicity of it, it just works great.
The main thing would just be to leave it with Mike, let him tune on it, and I mean, that's the only thing limiting is tuning, and it's pretty much where I want it to be. So
Okay.
I'm happy with it. I'm thrilled.
You just said the right thing. I'm happy with it. Amazing. Thank you, Bruce.
You're welcome.